Hi everybody. Today I'm following part 4 of this platformer game tutorial from HeartBest, and he uses GDScript while I want to use C#, and I struggled with the export because the syntax is a bit different. I found this page that goes over the difference between GDScript and C#. And C# uses attributes, and I learned about something called property hint, which means it will display in the sidebar of the GoDot engine. So you will see this in the inspector. I translated the tutorial, the export part of the tutorial, to the C# syntax. I also read something about that I need to restart the GoDot engine, but this particular recommendation was written 2018, so I don't know if it is valid anymore. So maybe the change will be reflected on the fly. First I need to fix the error and add this to the world complete. In my case this is teleport area 2D and it is saved as a scene. Double clicking it will open the file. So this is the first world scene, and let's move it to the teleport area 2D. Paste, and let's copy this and paste it as a variable instead of a string. So what will happen if I click build? Will I see the script variables? Alright, it looks like I can see them now. But why is it a space here? Maybe it somehow identifies the TSCN as world scene thanks to the extension. Check with world scene Gandalf to see what happens when I change it. Alright, so without doing anything, let's just click this again. Alright, nothing happens. Let's build it. Check this out. World scene Gandalf. I made the sidebar a little bit bigger so you can see. It automatically adds a space between every uppercase word. That is interesting. Anyway, this is what I wanted to cover, and I'm thinking of creating a platformer tutorial of what I learned and how to use C# instead of GDScript. There is an ever-growing audience that want to use C# not only in Godot but also in other game engines. So I believe that C# is going to grow in popularity. I hope that this video was helpful, and be sure to click like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching, take care, and bye bye.